there were certain factors which intensified the feeling of nationalism in India further, and those were the spread of the First World War. During the First World War, the Britishers started incurring lot of expenditure, and there was demand of lot of things which led to high revenue demands from the Indian people to meet their war expenses. The sharp rise in the prices made the people angry with the Britishers. Then we also see that there were certain groups like the business group in India who actually gained a lot of profit during this period. Because the British industries and factories were not enough to meet the war demands, they started asking for the manufacturers to manufacture certain things for the war. This led to huge profit for the business group, and further we see that the Indian soldiers who were reluctant to go abroad and fight for an alien cause were forced to go and fight for the Britishers. And thus they had no interest but had to go and fight, led to rebellion amongst them. Further we see that when they went to distant lands, they learnt new lessons of life. They understood how the Britishers were exploiting them and what actually was the meaning of freedom of speech, expression, dignity, freedom, and therefore they came with the minds to throw the Britishers out of India. Further we see that the revolution in Russia which occurred, which led to the formation of socialism in Russia, created a feeling amongst the Indians that everybody is one. And they also understood when they learnt the European history that if the ruler is bad, then the people do not hesitate in beheading him. Then why should the Indians let an alien, a British ruler to actually exploit them? So all this led to the awakening and to deepening of nationalism in India.